Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen in the next week, that the crude price has made a low. Okay, and for that particular week's low was around 104.66. okay, there was a continuous downfall. If we look at the price of crude after making a low of around 101.60, it moved upside, made a high of around 114.02, and from there we have seen it was continuously falling. Okay, made a support at around $104.83, and from there we have seen it has moved upside. Okay, so welcome to my channel, and before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other commodities, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we can see that this is the particular range is around 108.46. So if this level sustain, what we can see a next resistance coming at around 109.28. okay, so 109.28, if this particular level sustain, what we can see, it can go further upside and can go and touch a level of 110.98. okay, so once this level goes upside above this 110.98, we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of 115. okay, and I have already explained you that 115 is a strong resistance. So once this is the price of crude sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 116.87, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 120.32 after if it sustain a level of 116.87. okay, and once if it goes up that level, then we can see a pattern will form, so probability will be high. We can see it can go towards a level of 123.21, and from there we can see it will try to move towards a level of 126.95. so once if it goes above a level of 123, we can see a probability of touching its new high will be there. okay, for about 5-7 years back. okay, so that means we have not seen a level of 130, so probability will be high if it goes above a level of 123, that we can see a level of 130, or it can touch this particular level. okay, so now if you look at the chart again, what I have already explained you that you cannot say that the trend will move in one direction. okay, so what we have to see is we have to look at the trends. Suppose if it goes upside, it will not be, that means it will not move like this on the and in one direction. I have already explained you that it will move like this. okay, in the same way, if it has to come, it will move in certain way, not like in just a matter of minutes it will come down. It will hold for some time and then it will come down. So looking at this chart, suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 107.07. okay, and if that price goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 105. okay, suppose if that goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $104.4, and from there we can see it can come down again to a level of 103.6. okay, once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 101.69, and from there we can see it can move further low and can touch a level of 100.31. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 98.24, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 96.69. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 95.34, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 93.82. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 92.99. okay, once the price goes below that level, then we can see a probability of touching further low of 91.75 will be there, and once if it goes below a level of 91.75, a further low we can see. okay, now you have to understand something, that if you have to trade, you have to be very careful, because most of the people lose money in trading. okay, I do a workshop where I tell you which strategies to follow, when to enter, when to exit, and all those strategy I explain in my workshop. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me that. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please